Yep, the Ruud is running, finally. In 47-degree weather. That's crazy. Listen to how powerful it sounds from here. Very powerful. It's not supposed to be running in this weather, but it's also has to have a low ambient kit. It's not a good idea to run these units in cold weather, but whatever. It's not my unit. Some people just like to run their units wherever they want, whatever they want. The reason why I'm recording this is because this unit started and I was like, finally. I wasn't expecting it, but here we go. Endeavor line. That's an RA14AZ unit. 2023 model. Just listen to how quiet that is. And it's blowing cold at the top. I feel like they're gonna risk damaging the compressor since this unit is new. Or if they do, well, they need to have a low ambient kit installed because it said low ambient capability with kit on one of the websites for this unit. This was the one installed July 27th. It's still working fine. It's like 47 degrees out. Yeah, it's like 47 degrees right now. And that's an Achiever Endeavor line right there. Yeah, it's cold coming out the top. That's a scroll compressor. Yeah, finally the downstairs one is running. Oh yeah, that thing is running. Let's see if we can hear the shutdown, but it won't be for long. The shutdown is not gonna even happen soon. It's like running almost constant. In this cold weather, that can damage the compressor. They have no idea. But it has a nice sounding compressor though. Scroll. 2023. That's the Ruud logo right there. RA14, AZ24, AJ1NA, serial 2323. That's the 23rd week of 2023. Manufactured July 2023, assembled in Mexico. These are reliable units from Ruud. The Achiever Endeavor line. Environmentally friendly. With new 7mm condenser coil right there. 2 fastener openings. Okay, that's all you got.